fire up. There it is. Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Wednesday, February 26, 2020. It's 7:59 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. The traditional markets are beginning to do a little bit of a bounce today, and let's also check out silver and gold, see how they're doing, and let's look at Bitcoin. I think we're about to see a turnaround for Bitcoin, hopefully. Bitcoin, yes, it is, I believe, a safe haven asset. I believe it is sound money, but just like gold and silver, it has to dump a bit when the traditional markets totally dump, like they've been doing recently on coronavirus uncertainty. So with that said, of course, Bitcoin's going to dump, just like gold and silver have a bit, but the thing is, gold and silver are going to bounce, just like Bitcoin is. But it's all just a matter of when, and it also depends on what the traditional markets do. So let's just go through this and check it out. It's an interesting day. All right, Bitcoin. Tether into Bitcoin, 4.73 billion, massive tether into Bitcoin. Tether into Ethereum, 3.83 billion. That is amazing, big time. The volume finally today for Bitcoin is more of what I would expect at 1.4 billion. 728 million of that was on Binance, and Coinbase, Kraken, Bitfinex, and Bitstamp all have over 100 million in volume. Also, this is good, so stuff's happening out there. Longs versus short on Binance, 48% shorts, 59% longs, rocking along. Let's look at we'll start with the Russell 2000 index. Daily chart, bouncing off that 200 moving average. Looking good, MACD still dismal, but who cares? Let's look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Okay, we're getting a rally. We are bouncing off that 200 moving average. Not too bad. Let's look at the S&P 500. Once again, we never actually hit the 200 moving average, but we are seeing a bounce regardless. This is good. Traditional markets are starting to rally today. Silver, well, it's still dumping. Let's check out gold on the ounce. It's just beginning to possibly rally today with the Darth Maul Doji, but it is green, and MACD is very positive. On the daily, Bitcoin sucks. It went below a important support level I would have liked to seen it keep, but we're not below the 200 moving average yet, and well, the MACD is just dismal. But why I have confidence, where I'm happy, is look at the 4-hour chart right here, looking at a fib that I started at about January 2nd, up to our recent high. So basically our recent low and our recent high during this nice uptrend that we've been having, which of course has been going sideways for a while. Well, we are at the 382 fib line at around 9,100. Okay, will we stay there or will we go lower? Well, here's the deal. If we go lower, that's the fib line. We're seeing that right at about 8676, and that's also where we've had massive, actually within this time frame, within this visible chart, that is where the highest buy-sell volume was. So we have a lot of support at 86.76, and that's where I think we'll bounce, worst case scenario. And also, Josh Rager, a great name, a great technical analysis person. He also saw that with the VPVR, where we would probably bounce if we happen to really dump. But I don't think it's going to happen. And if it does, it does. 2-hour chart, not looking so great. 45-minute chart, not looking so great. Ethereum, well, it went below a support level I would have liked to seen in the chart and via VPVR, but we're still above the 200 moving average on the 4-hour. We'll see if we bounce off it. If we do, that would be right around 223. Or maybe we'll start moving up from here. The market's crazy. The world's crazy right now. Nothing but uncertainty. But I do think that if the markets continue to go down, I think Bitcoin will find its hard bottom. It's sound money. It's safe haven power. It's futuristic future revolution, peaceful revolution power at the 0.5 fib line, where the VPVR volume also is at 8676. That's what I think. With that said, I belong to Blockchain Education, have for over 2 years. I have learned to make money there, and I tell you what, click on the affiliate link, watch the video, learn more about it. I'd love to see you there. Let's make money together in 2020. Obstacles can't stop you, weather can't stop you, heartbreak can't stop you, failure can't stop you, only you can stop you. This is a peaceful revolution. It matters. Bitcoin matters. And we're going to find out truly in the next few weeks its value for sure with its global uncertainty. Take care. I'll see you again tomorrow.